Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama Yet's in the building, the one, the only fierce, foxy, fabulous, live and direct in her sitting room with all this sparkle, yes, and all this, ooh, chow. Don't I look fine? Yes, I look okay. I think I scrub up well, don't I? Thank you guys for tuning in. So basically, I did this look a few weeks back. I called it Bad and Bougie, baby. So yeah, this is my Bad and Bougie look, y'all. So with the Bad and Bouginess, I also had a lookbook. So I did a film, well, not films, for photo shoot. Yet when they get yourself together. I did a photo shoot. So the photo shoot is just basically stuff I was wearing all summer. So the kind of clothes I wear, the kind of style I have. I mean, people say, oh, you know, what kind of style do you have? So I wear anything as long as, you know, it will look good at the packaging and everything is jacked up right. You know, people that know me personally, I am not a skinny girl. I got some curves, I got some titties and ass. So in all the extra love and affection that God gave me when he was placing boobs on my body and everything else, I mean, when God was giving boobs, I went there twice to collect extra because I thought to myself, no, I can't do small oranges. I needed some melons. So basically, obviously, because of my curves, I like to dress to show off my curves. So summer, you know, I enjoyed myself. So all the clothes you're going to see in this lookbook is what I wore over summer. This dress, I got it from Collectiff. The head wrap was given to me. So basically, it's just to put a lookbook together. There's about 6 items and, you know, a few vintage pieces thrown in there for you as well. Just for you to see the kind of way, the way I dress and style and everything. And if you also want to see more, don't forget to go to my Instagram at Mama Yet. I've got all my photos there, but I'll put some photos in the whole YouTube lookbook thing for you guys. And yeah, we'll do more lookbooks very soon. I'll do another one for. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this look. Take care. God bless. See you soon. Don't forget, like, subscribe, thumbs up, holla at your girl, you know. And I will be doing more videos. Holler, do what you like. Well, not do what you like. Within reason, please. I said stalk me. Doesn't mean really stalk me. Just let's be friends. You understand my situation. Go to Mama Yet. Follow me on Instagram. You know, leave some comments underneath here. Be nice. Because this thing is hard. Coming, sitting here and exposing yourself to this, it's not easy, you know. And especially you see me naked. Well, not really naked, but my face. You have to create this loveliness. Anyway, thank you guys for everything. I really appreciate the love and affection. I appreciate, yeah, I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this process, you know, getting to know people and doing YouTube. Anybody told me, yesterday you'll be doing YouTube. I'm like, YouTube. But you know, here I am doing YouTube and actually enjoying it. So thank you very much. Thank you. How many times have I thanked you? Okay, I'm gonna thank you one more time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, thumbs up, holla at your girl. Peace, love, and hair grace, and all the sparkles in the world. May your days be beautiful and fabulous the way you are. Take care. Yeah. So I'm gonna start the tutorial. The first thing I'm going to use is Roxanne from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I've done my lashes. I've used the House of Lashes in Tigress, which these are beautiful. I really love this. That's the box there. So I'm just going to use the Marc Jacobs mascara just to fuse my lashes with the lash. Next, I've got this box from Becca. Basically, they've sent me their velvet. That's funny. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab. This. Yeah. Velvet blurring primer. I'm just gonna put this away. Everything fell out. That was so funny, isn't it? We like goofball situations in this place, don't we? Let's just put this. As you know, girls and boys, at this age, you want to blur some stuff. You know? Next, I'm going to take the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation in Sandalwood as my foundation today. See, love it when everything falls apart. Lifting the wig. To be fair, I should have taken the thing off. Like, you know, I'm just gonna make my... Brushes are flying everywhere. Next, I will take Tarte Shape Tape for my highlight. Okay, let's be serious now, you two. To be serious, Abby. Should I be serious? What do you guys think? Do you think I should be serious or still be a goofball? Kevon D, baby, in the building. I love this mirror. You might think that the foundation was a little orange or anything, or too red. Sometimes I actually prefer something stuck in my eye. I prefer my foundation slightly bit more warm. Then I can tone it down with concealer. I mean, that's who I've always liked to work. Oh Lord, something's next. I'm going to take my HA Crimson powder and just set the highlight. Yes, honey, yes. While I'm baking, I shall take my mascara cream contour and sharpen my cheekbones, y'all. I'm such a goofball, I know, darling. But it is I am who I am. So this is the mascara. It's really a foundation, but you know, I use it for like cheekbones. Just to give myself some cheekbones. I need to hurry up because I gotta pick up my kids. Have you noticed I always seem to do my videos when I'm about to go pick up my kids? So here we go. We got some cheekbones up in here, a forehead up in here. While we've baked, I should take my Morphe brush and sweep away the excess. I don't know why they call it baking. Oh, you don't bake. Yeah, we're baking, you know, we're baking. Then I'm gonna take my dark tan and just... I seriously want to blind myself today. This is just getting ridiculous. Poked myself in the eye with these brushes many times today. Okay, next, I will take my CoverGirl Ebony before you see my outline, CoverGirl Ebony bronze powder just to bronze and, you know, snatch and stuff. Oh my goodness, I have no idea. Okay, just use one of these brushes, darling. Well, sometimes, and all these brushes were given to me by Morphe and Eve Pearl. Once again, thank you, Eve Pearl. Thank you, Morphe, for your generosity. Because if you did not keep me in brushes, Lord knows, I'm gonna have to buy some stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go back just to carve my cheekbones out a little bit and just put some powder here and there. Yeah, so while that's setting, I'm gonna take this little pencil from Pixie Beauty and I'm just gonna go in. But I've got powder everywhere and put it along. It's on the that's sushi. Yes, like that. Now I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place powder and Abby just to give myself some extra cheekbone. And a little bit of Zane, the pink one as well, just to give myself a flush of color of the cheeks. And as always, it does. You want a bit extra happy. Extra happy with the blusher on my way. Okay. Alright. So when I originally did this photo, the Bad and Bougie look, when I did the look on my video on my Instagram, I used Becca. What did I use? I think I used Becca Champagne Pop. But today I think I might just change it and go with the Trophy Wife. Just to stick a bit of Fenty in here. You know what I'm saying? But I might just mix the two, you know what I'm saying? Dabble, 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 baby. La Fenty Wife. I'm shiny and I'm glowing. That's Jessica. Ooh, I am shiny and I'm glowing. Ooh, don't shine too much. Okay. Yes, Rihanna, take my money, girl, honey. I'm shiny and I'm glowing. Take my money, honey. Hey, make me a trophy wife. Pop the color. Okay. I think we're pretty much done. Shaking the wig, making sure we're okay. Y'all need, I'll get you guys, I'll zoom out in a minute once we, okay. It's gonna be serious because we haven't got time. So for the next thing, I've got my ever faithful blunt, lip pencil and, lip pencil, Jesus is Lord. Liquid lipstick and blunt. So I'm gonna line my lips and I'll bring you guys back in because I'm thinking we're done. Next, I'm going to spray some glow mist to glow. think I put it in my mouth. And some Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. It's like, oh God. You know what? I love my channel. Y'all just have to, I can't even find the cover of the thing anymore. Okay, you know what? And this is my look. I hope you guys like it. So basically, this was my bad and bougie look. And yeah, so this is the makeup. This is the look. Just put a bit of scarf around my hair. Yes, honey. Yes. Fabulous. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lookbook. Tell me your thoughts. What would you like to see more on this channel? Because obviously the objective is to have a relationship, conversation with y'all. You know, I can just be sitting here talking, and you know, guys are not giving me feedback. So let me know what you think. Leave comments, you know, where I am. I'm at Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. La Facebook, I'm on everything. So you can find me, stalk me, I don't mind. Let's be friends. Within reason, of course. Okay. Thank you so much for watching again. Take care. Love you. Peace, love, and hair grease. Ooh, see my flash out. You guys can really, you know, I'm going to lower the camera one more time so you can see the cleavage and everything. Give me one. Yeah, so this is the camera's lowered down. Just to show you a bit, you know, the stuffs. You know, yeah. It's still fresh. I'm standing up somewhere, somehow. I don't know, but you know, thank God for bras and bravissimo and every other thing. Sorry, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, the lookbook as well. So yeah, take care. God bless you. See you soon. Mwah, mwah. Peace, love, and hair grease. Extra love. Take care, guys. God bless. Bye.